happened to me today. NinjaTrader bagged me. So I learned something new. Let's dive into it. So this is close, market close right here. This is when Microsoft, Intel, Snap started reporting. Microsoft, I think, came out first. Looked at their numbers. They were okay. And this is a real quick briefing to what was being reported to me. Quick glances, didn't look the greatest. Intel came out, their numbers also aren't phenomenal. So here's what happened. Microsoft came out, and this candle, first it shot down, then it waked up. And it was doing this kind of range right here for, I don't know, 60 seconds or so. These are the Heiken Ashi candles, so like this one didn't actually go this high, but anyway. I wasn't too thrilled with the numbers on Microsoft, and I took a puts position up here. I took it on like one of those last pullbacks as it was coming down, trying to get as high up here as I could. Took a puts position or futures, so I shorted it, not puts. Shorted this position, and I got filled right in this area. A little bit bigger size than I normally do, but I felt like the market was overreacting. Intel's numbers came out in this candle, and they weren't that good either. They weren't bad, they weren't phenomenal. So when this push came out, I was like, okay, I'm still going to hold because I think market's not reacting right. And I was looking at more of the reports as they were coming out. I'm not really sure how much I was down right here. When I got back and I was down right here, I was down about 280 bucks or so. So I had considered adding to my position up here, but I figured, it's just going to take that one to come out. At this point, like it's going to take that one to come out. Are we just bull flagging back into the EMAs? It just needs one report that's going to just send it up again. But we didn't get it. So, we got down into this area. I'm like, okay, we're getting close. There were a few times where it hit, got close to break even. Didn't quite get there, but it's like, okay, we're just going to come down. We're going to do a little roly-poly and drop. Well, futures closes at 4 o'clock, and it reopens at 5 Central Time. So closes at 5 Eastern, reopens at 6. What I learned today is that NinjaTrader will margin call you out of your position 15 minutes prior to close. So all of a sudden, I get filled up here on this candle, near almost the highest of the little bounce. I get filled. So with the size of the position I had and being filled in somewhere down in this area here, I was down $210. So they margin filled me, immediately sent me an email. Check out my email, and it says they closed positions 15 minutes prior to close. I had no idea. I didn't know I couldn't carry it over and roll it. And then on top of that, when you get margin called, they charge you $25 for a computer closing your position. So that was fun. All in all, down almost 250 bucks, waiting for this very bank to happen. So hopefully you guys will watch this and know that you need to be out of your position within 15 minutes of close, before 15 minutes of close, because you'll get margin called no matter what the momentum is, and they will charge you a fee of $25. So could have had a phenomenal win, ended up getting no win, because of course when this reopened, it gapped down and opened up down here. There was no hope. It didn't open up here and slowly push down. it immediately opened down here because that's where the market was. Let's look at one other thing while I've got you here. Top. This one's a little interesting, isn't it? You know, it's up 3,469% right now. Let me show you guys something else. This is in the Discord when I alerted it today at 12:38 while it was still $17.80. It's currently trading 236, 235, dropping again. Looks like it's hit a high of about 260. So if you were in our Discord, hopefully you saw that and hopefully you were able to bank on it. Anyway, that's what we got, guys. Be safe out there. Don't get margin called over stupid time technicalities, and don't do anything dumb. All right, take it easy. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow.